Hello everyone. Today we are diving deep into the amazing world beneath the waves. We will discover what lies in our oceans, why oceans are so important, and the incredible creatures that call the oceans their home. Let's explore life in the ocean together. Welcome to my Science Diaries. Did you know that the oceans covers more than the two-thirds of our planet? They are massive bodies of salt water that are homes to an incredible variety of life. Our oceans are so vast and deep that scientists say we still have not discovered all the creatures living there. Oceans are absolutely crucial for all life on Earth. First, did you know that the algae and the marine plants produce about half of the oxygen we breathe? That's amazing. Second, oceans feed more than 3 billion people worldwide. They also help balance our planet's temperature and distribute heat around the world, which keep our climate stable. Oceans are like the lung and heart of our planet. Oceans have different zones based on how much sunlight reaches them. The sunlight zone is the bright, shallow area where most fish and colorful corals live. Below that is the twilight zone where sunlight is fading and creatures have adapted to low light. At the very bottom is the midnight zone where it's pitch black and creatures have amazing adaptations like bioluminescence. They make their own light. Next is marine algae, oceans plant life. Algae are super important in the oceans. They are like the plants of sea and they comes in many colors, green, brown and red. The most important thing about the algae is that they produce oxygen through the photosynthesis just like the land plant do. They also form the foundation of ocean's food chain. The tiny phytoplanktons are eaten by the small fish, which are eaten by the bigger fish, and it all starts with the algae. Next is fish. Fish are the vertebrates that lives in the oceans, which means they have backbones. And there are three main types of fish in the oceans. First, bony fish like tuna, salmon, and the clownfishes. They have hard bones and scales. Second is cartilaginous fish like shark and ray fish. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, which is softer than the bones. And the third is jawless fish like lampreys, which are ancient fish without jaw. Each type is perfectly adapted to its ocean home. Many oceans animals they don't have backbones. These are invertebrates and they are incredible diverse. Invertebrates, which we have already discussed in that video, you can see about it in full detail by going to that video. Where in invertebrates it has many groups and each group has unique adaptations for the ocean's life. So next is marine mammals. Marine mammals are the specials because they live in the oceans but have to come to the surface to breathe air. They have lungs, not gills like fish, and they are also warm blooded, which means they keep their body temperature constant, and they are the mammals. So they give birth to the baby and nurse them with milk. And whales are the largest animals on the earth. Dolphins are super intelligent, and seals are the excellent swimmer. These are incredible creatures. Show us that many types of animals can thrive in the ocean. So next is the coral reef. They are considered as rainforest of the sea. Coral reefs are like underwater rainforest. They are built up by the tiny animals called polyps that create the hard shells. These reefs are incredibly diverse even though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor. They are home to about 25% of all marine fishes and reefs it provides the shelter, food, and nursery for countless creatures. Unfortunately, warming oceans are threatening these beautiful ecosystems and we need to protect them. Ocean animals have amazing adaptations to survive in water. Fish have streamlined bullet shaped bodies to move quickly and they have gills to extract the oxygen from the water, just like we use lungs for air. In the deep ocean, some creatures produce their own light through the process bioluminescence. It like a living flashlight, and the many fish use the camouflage to hide from the predator by blending in with the rock or plants. And deep sea creatures, they have special adaptation to withstand the crushing pressure at the bottom of the ocean. Everything in the ocean is connected through the food chain. It starts with algae and marine plants that use sunlight to make their own food. Small plants like fish and zooplankton eat these plants, and then medium-sized fish eat the small fish. Finally, the large predator like shark and big fish eat them. When any organism dies, it breaks down and returns nutrient to the water and starting their cycle again. Energy from the sun flows through the entire ocean ecosystem. Sadly, human activities are harming our oceans. We dump plastic and pollutions into the ocean water, which harms the marine life. We fish too much, removing important species faster than they can reproduce. Climate change is warming the oceans, which stresses the coral reef and changes where animal can live. And the coastal development destroy the important habitat, but the good news is that we can help. We can reduce the plastic use and support the sustainable fishing and protect habitat and fight the climate change. How we can help the oceans? Every single person can help protect the oceans. First, reduce the plastic usage, bring the reusable bags and bottles. Second, choose the ocean friendly products. Third, never litter because trash end up in the oceans. Fourth, learn about the ocean conservations and teach your friends and family. Fifth, support the effort to create the marine protected areas where animals are safe. Remember, the oceans is connected to all of us, and taking care of it means taking care of ourselves. Here are some amazing ocean facts. Oceans cover 71% of Earth, more than 2 billion years of life here. Blue whales are the largest animal that ever lived, bigger than any dinosaurs. But here something cool. Most fish in the oceans are actually tiny, less than 10 centimeter long, and the coral polyps that build massive reefs are smaller than a grain of sand. And did you know that the deepest ocean trenches have more pressure than the outer space? Our ocean are truly incredible. So, ocean is an amazing place filled with the incredible creatures and important ecosystems. From microscopic algae to giant whales, every organisms play an important role. Our ocean give us oxygen, food, and regulate our climate. They need our protections now more than ever. So, what will you do to help the oceans? Will you reduce the plastic, learn more, or teach others? Remember, every action counts. Together, we can be ocean's guardians and ensure this underwater world thrives for the generation to come. Thank you for diving into the oceans with me today. Now, let's test what you have learned. Can you answer these questions? Take a minute to think about them, and then we will go through the answer together. Pause the video if you need time to think. Next time on my Science Diaries, we will study about how to name the plants. I can't wait to see you then. Thank you for learning with me. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and remember, science is everywhere. See you in the next video.